This is what you call the Ring of Fire rocket. It's supposed to be better than Neptune rockets. Let's see if they can actually blow up this big, heavy-duty microwave.
Damn, dude, I think that's better than the Neptune rocket, dude. Because the Neptune rocket didn't fucking do that. Holy shit! Oh my god, bro.
That did some damage to that big,
Yeah, that's better.
heavy-duty microwave.
That's better than the Neptune rocket, bro. That bitch shattered. Now I gotta rake all this up.
That's a big, heavy-duty dryer with 60 pounds on top of it. See what it did to the heavy-duty dryer.
Yeah, we put that 60-pound weight on top of it, and it fucking just blew
That's
it
heavy
all
iron.
apart. Blew the whole cover off of it. Blew the top end off of it.
Not really. So here's a clean shot of what it did. That's a big hole that it knocked in there. Just imagine that was your hand.
Imagine that was your hand. Your hand would be gone.
Your whole body would be gone probably. That was a heavy duty dryer, very heavy duty. Now we're gonna try this thing right here. How heavy is that? About 100?
Like
About
80 pounds.
yeah, 80 to 90 maybe.
Nah.
See what it would do to something like this with a round piece of lid on it.
40, 50 pounds.
So this time we're gonna try the pound rocket. We're gonna put it inside this little cylinder and see how high that lid can fly. That was pretty good. The Stiller explosion. We're gonna see how high it can make that lid go. This right here is an $8 one. The pound rocket was a $15. And we're gonna see what it can do. See which one's better. This is $8, y'all. That is lame. $8. $8 is worth it. Do not get those. Believe me.
Might as well get sparklers too.
Do not get these, y'all. Do not buy these. They're not good. Did it do any damage at all?
Yeah. Hot box.
So let's try the Ring of Fire rocket. See how high it can shoot up. $25 for 4 of these. I feel like it's gonna be good. Landed right on that bucket. Look at it. It chopped that bucket in half, y'all.
Oh my god.
It chopped it in half. Imagine that was your shoulder. It chopped it right in half.
Imagine if that landed on you, dude. I don't want to imagine that. That would hurt.
That right there did some damage there.
Alvin, show him where to put that. I know where to put it over there.
All right, y'all, this is blocking a hornet's nest. Hopefully they don't come out and sting me. Don't see any coming out yet. Just gonna do what this little kitty toy can do in underwater. That didn't do much. About to put this pound rocket inside this bed and see what it does. Let it shoot in. Yes, that left a big shockwave in your body. Wonder if it. Look at that. Let's see that. That left a shockwave in your body.
It didn't blow it up though.
Yeah, it didn't blow it up. See what it did to the bottom. Nothing. Didn't even leave a burn hole or nothing in this thing.